Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel MIZORAM Education Hub. Hey, kalau let leta. After a very long time, I just came back today. So when I get kanti don, when I chuan lekha kan zero e bokang chu. So I chu mi ma chuan mi ka soi dua. When tleng question paper tam tak ka solve to a. In len lo chuan in en nge tur ni avain in solve vector ni question zong and then an question paper som pakhat atlem bra ka solve thumbnail dang tahian ka dalo video. So a playlist in checkout there. The question atlem bera somni panga chu om kim vek somni panga chu a om veka tlem bera achana chun som nga po om meitea achana som thum a oma. So 25 hi 11 in hand multiply chinila 275 ania ngai tuaru questions ani somsari panga chu liak 5 vekula a5 vekula nang mani tan exam hola question tam takai aron strike vetrina, so it will help you a lot. Maseng voina eng paper ngan solved on Government of Mizoram Rural Development Department for the post of LDC 2018 and yeah hemi channel let's subscribe lo ni chuan and subscribe nge turni in order to chase all your competitors in chase to chuan park in du chuan ani mai in padu chuan in subscribe nge turni. So solve mine questions kan ananga hey tahan in mutenga draw 1 to 10 1 marks a carrier 11 to 24 2 marks a carrier chuan 25 atangin question number 30 chu 3 marks a carry. So questions kan en potanga achan chumi tam takenan shecha ka level eng type question ngeron chu atenti an shecha ka hey 1 to 4 ta hian 5 to 9 hey in mutenga mixed question ka mixed question videos po poimo lutukania chutatang pochon mixed question video tangpon question tam takalo strike thinya chumi wangchon ke video ka en nge turni 10 to 12 ay 13 a train 18 28 chon question number 30 tuna an solve ma patte te ma seng solve ma in MI 2018 MI thonia general knowledge question som mi harang davin voi khat en potila revision atan. So question number 1 here, who was the first viceroy of India? Viceroy of India tichon Lord Canning. Answer ni dona a tenure ka 4 years nemi revision me mean your extra knowledge 4 years nya 1858 tangin 1862 mi a tenure nya doctrine of lapse hemithili abolisha. Question antinan first governor general of India titase tahian kaziak nga first governor general of India titase Lord William Bentinck. Answer ni dona chun first governor general of Bengal titase Warren Hastings. Hemi kan answer ni dona Warren Hastings hun like an eng thilnge on chu major reform le events eng thilnge atlanti chuan dual system of administration kamika antitopa regulating act 1773 Calcutta Supreme Court le Asiatic Society of Bengal ti pokain shianga first Anglo Maratha War Treaty of Salbai first English translation of Bhagavad Gita hemi in shianga thro Bhagavad Gita holiest book in Hinduism anitrina kami poka an translate English language John Pitt's India Act 1784 hengi important first Indian Governor General of Independent India chutita se enge kan answer ni don C Raja Gopalchari. Tuna question number 2 kan anang question number 2 hi who was known as the Iron Man of India. Okay, Iron Man of India tichon Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar hi chu hemi title ni tu inge pe tichon Mahatma Gandhi in hemi title hi Vallabhbhai chu apea Bardoli Satyagraha ka a leader ni a lead tu khania organization skill ka tha atil tuka chimi wangchan Gandhiji and Sardar atya Sardar title amana pea amahi first deputy prime minister India first deputy prime minister aniboka tole statue ama statue Gujarat ama chichu statue of unity gantia Khovela statue sangber mo 182 meters ania duchon hemi fita pokan convert mo 600 feet ania. Tuna question number 3 which city is called the gateway of India tichuan Mumbai oma chumi wangchan Mumbai kan answer ni dona what is the third largest religion in India ti chuan tamber chu Hinduism ania chumi zo India ni yo a tamber chu Hinduism ania chumi zo Islam ania chumi zo Christianity hi pathumna oma chuan name the most populous state in India ti chuan populous omzia chu mishing tamber omnania so most population tamber chu Uttar Pradesh chimza Maharashtra chimza Bihar mo ti hian chuan question number D hi what is the third largest religion in the world chutita se atamber chu Christianity nia chimza Islamic ania chimza Hinduism hemi po hi inshiat nge turnia question number F hi kan ananga name the present vice president of India Vice President of India tungeti chuan Jagdeep Dhankar tahian ka zia kanga Jagdeep Dhankar hemi poi inshiaton chuan first vice president tungeti chuan first vice president ka tungeti chuan S Radhakrishnan hemi poi inshiator chimizwa enge question number G name the current speaker of Lok Sabha tunge current speaker ti chuan Om Birla hi current speaker of Lok Sabha nia chuan first speaker of Lok Sabha tunge ti chuan GV Mavalankar GV hi enge full form GV chu Ganesh ania V chu Vasudev tuna question number H who is the current Chief Justice of India Chief Justice of India tuna takyan 2023 ya tungeti chuan Dhananjay Y Chandrachud tahian ka ziak nga DYC Dhananjaya Y Chandrachud masing first dileta ila angeming HJ Kania HJ Kania H hi ange full form Hiralalania J hi ange full form ti chuan Jeki Sundas tuna name the highest gallantry award in India gallantry award highest chu Paramvir Chakra hi nia masing thil pahat ka shilang chau chada umai mo thil chada pahat ka shilang chau gallantry award po hi hei tiang award shim hi category pani an separate an categorize pakhachu wartime an trina mi in shianga wartime gallantry award chuan apani na chu peacetime tahian ka zia kanga peacetime gallantry award okay so wartime hi anga ti chuan Paramvir Chakrania chimizwa Mahavir Chakrania chimizwa Vir Chakrania basing peacetime gallantry award highest ti chuan Ashok Chakrania chimizwa Kirti Chakrania chuan atopa Shaurya Chakra mi in shiaturni poimoltuk question number J hi chu tu pon shianga how many states and union territories are there in India states chu 28 nia chuan union territory exact nge ti chuan 8 29 in loting adik mi alo ne 29 so 28 states ania chuan union territories pariat okay so tuna pahatte ten kan solve video hi in share nge turni midang pon an enthei turin maseng competition nia in du big long mo tu man du big long midang in lekhan zir se ti mo tu man kan du lo achan chu ke manin na kan du khami seat kha ke manin kan du a chimi wang chuan share wak ki kan du ngai lo okay so and then on PDF te kan ne dro PDF chadau kan nei chuan kan share du wak lo achan chu midang in an zir palang amo midang in leka zir na ber kera chan min le pel palang maseng at least time video hi like ula mo comment engamani share thiam lo nei chuan milo zo tula chuan in la subscribe lo chuan please in lo subscribe down there okay so tuna pahatte ten kan start ang questions tamlu tuka questions somthum la ya oma chumi wang chuan mi pahatte ten kan solve anga nang mani pon solve tumula kema ka explain line video pause la chuan rough copy in try potang in thiam lo chuan a solution in nanga initiative mai nga masing thil pat ka silang chaw and then video hi question atir lami chu all thina khai question mark 1 marks carry ang question chu ola 2 marks po ola masing kari tak a har hi sol tumula thiam tumula all sam chu mitam takin an thiam ta masing question har ta doi shia thiam tumula a concept in build chuan a concept in engagement shia chuan hey mitam tak ai in om sang jok don mo achan ju an manin thil har khan thiam lo inshitiam question number atir lam hi chu hey practice mai nan hey warm up question kan tiang hi chu voin atangin warm up question kan tinga so question number 1 hi nge question number 1 tan kan zia kanga hey 1/4% of quotient mark equals to 30 ne tro so hemi quotient hi ti hian kan solve ang enru 6 1 by 4 hi angeni chain 6 4 za en za 24 nia 24 a pakhat kan bela 25 by 4 ania tahin percentage oma chumi wangchun 1 by 100 in kan multiplying a chun of hi ange omzia of chu multiplication ya quotient mark hi ange kan shelo tro chumi wangchun x kan zia kanga equals to 30 tuna kan rearrange anga mo tian kan cancel te 25 le hemi 100 di 4 times in kan cancel te 4 le 4 kan multiply chun 16 ani china thro so x divided by 16 equals to 13 ya hemi 16 hi somthum nen kan multiply ang an ngei to to somthum multiplied by som paruk chen zat nge 3 16s are 48 ani thro chun hemi 0 chu then anunga kan ta so kan answer nge option number D. I am quotient here. Quotient number 2 here. Root 4 plus 8 square. Tuna square root of 4 chuange 2 ania 2 ponanisha square of 8 in zat nge 64 chan 2 plus 64 in zat nge chun 66 so option number D he can answer. Tuna next question. Question number 3 and 0.9 ania plus 0.3 multiplied by 0.3 hemi x ani lo ni hai multiplication ni so han ngai ta do 0.9 a 0.3 le 0.3 kan multiply chuan exact nge 0.09 heti zat hinia so 0.9 le 0.09 kan bel chun 0.99 ani dona ngati nge mitam tain doubt an nei mi te achan chu 0.09 le 0.9 kan bel chuan yanula 9 le hemi 0 chu tan eng maam lo chun decimal zo tan 0 om train so 9 le 0 chu 9 ania 0 le 9 chu 9 ania 0 le 0 chu 0 so 0.99 option number C. Question number 4 and hemi hi ratio and proportion mean eng form ange om a b chuan c d hemi thilian te kan zia train ratio and proportion a by b chuan c by d ne tro a eng zat nge 0.4 b ang zat nge 1.4 c ang zat nge 1.4 d ang zat nge x eng ma po kan tingai lo ti hian chan 1.4 multiplied by 1.4 ne chun an waya 0.4 hemi dot le hemi dot ti kan cancel te ang ju kan da son te ya so enge bang don hemi point kan da son nga decimal zo digit pakhat ma so 0 we will put a 0 here and we will try to cancel the hian cancel nga hemi 7 in chun 20 hemi poi 7 in chun 10 so 7 multiplied by 7 is how much 49 chun anwaya 10 oma hemi 10 hi da son turin decimal heta kan da train 4.9 so 4.9 option number B can answer tuna chuanin question number 5 and rukat ama ka soida nang kan khongai takin video hi pause chinula chuan install turani nang mani pon so question number 5 hemi question hi tuna solve anga ama pon ka soida tro 2 1 by 6 ang tin nge kan zia thei 2 plus 1 by 6 kan ti thei tro chu tiang bok chuan 4 2 by 3 hi ang tin nge kan zia thei 4 plus 2 by 3 kan ti thei adik tro tiang hen hemi concept ti kan manga chuan kan solve ang enru 2 plus 1 by 6 chuan 4 plus 2 by 3 chuan 1 plus 2 by 3 okay tuna fraction kan en lo nga tuna ri chuan pani pali pakhat engzat nge pani pali pakhat chu pasari ani thin tro chu tiam bok chon fraction tun chum 1 by 6 2 by 3 2 by 3 tan kan ziak nga 1 by 6 2 by 3 chuan 2 by 3 okay 2 by 3 le 2 by 3 engzat nge ni thin ti chuan 4 by 3 ni thin tro tan kan ziak nga 4 by 3 ani thin 6 le 3 waya oma LCM engzat nge 6 ani dona so 7 plus tan kan ziak nga 6 1 plus 8 so tan kan ziak lenga 7 plus 9 by 6 hemi kan cancel di tro 9 by 6 ente kan zia the 7 plus 9 by 6 1 plus 3 by 6 kan ti thei tro chimi wangchon 7 plus 1 8 ania plus 3 by 6 ange 1 by 2 so 8 1 by 2 he can answer option number B is the correct answer of this question tuna question number 6 he can solve hemi question himo question number 6 can solve a number exceeds its 3/5 by 16. Okay, zia nge number pakhata oma chumi number chuan ama 3 by 5 chu 16 in a exceed zia chu atama mo ti hian 3 by 5 number zok chu helama kan ziak trina chuan 3 by 15th of that particular part or 16 in atam chumi wangchun tamzo khalaman ziak trina tlem zo khalaman ziak trin engzatin nge atam ti chuan chumi chu tahian kan ziak trin so LCM engzat nge 5x minus 3x divided by 5 equals to 16 netro chuan hemi 5 is 16 and can multiply dai trina ti hian so engzat nge 16 5s are ti chuan somriat ani trina tahian kan ziak nga somriat 5x train 3x kan pe chuan engzat nge 2x 2 le 80 14 can cancel ang so ange kan answer x equals to 40 option number D in ning tura ni mi alon yoga di takta ni atiang question ni warm up question ni question number 10 thleng chu warm up question assume la englo te tum reng reng lo la I chua san te tum lo la mo thil tam taken miss palang midang te chan an zirdon nge nge ti ga shia ho nang mani pon in zirdon nge ka ring lu tuk cheunia so if 50 kg of sugar cost ju sang ni le zanga in cheng sang ni le zanga in kg som nga chini kan lei thei chuan cheng zariatin kg engzat nge chini kan lei thei don okay hemi hi aharmia lo a ollutuk andrew thilpa hria tiam tumula cheng sang ni le zanga in kg engzat mo kg somnga kan lei cheng khatin engzat nge kan lei thei cheng khatin kg somnga by 2500 kan lei thei tro chuan ke cheng khatin heti zati kan lei thei chuan cheng zariatin engzat nge kan lei thang lelama 800 in multiply la ni maila dai ti hian 800 so achunga tihan color ka thlak lokanga nangmani ta na olsam dawnga achunga bl pani ama anwaya 0 pani ama cancela kan ti bau thei 8 kan zia kanga anwaya 25 kan zia kang 50 by 25 engzat nge ni train 50 by 25 chu true and train draw so 2 kg multiplied by 8 chu 16 kg som paruk in lei thei don ni chu atiam pen in sol thei tho mo antinan 50 kg sang ni le zanga ani chuan hemi 0 le hemi 0 I cancel la hemi 5 le hemi 25 I cancel la 15 omzia chu kg khat kha cheng somnga ania tro so somnga engzat zar nge zariat ani chen ti chuan somnga som paruk zar ani chen mo so 16 kg will be the answer question number 8 thil pahria tiam tumla tiang khosh tiang fraction in mu chuan antinan 2 by 3 mo 2 by 4 2 by 5 ani chuan hemi hi atamber chen hemi atlem chuan hemi atlem ber chen a gap hi 3 ania hemi gap hi 2 ania chuan hemi gap hi 1 ania gap tlember kha atamber chen chuan gap tamber hi atlember chen a value of that particular fraction atlembera chuan a gap atlem lutuk chuan hemi hi atamber don tinani chu maseng chu engtika achunga mi number hi atte jok turania anwai mi ain so tuna hemi questioning and solve anga 5 by 6 ania 5 by 8 ania 7 by 16 okay tuna exact nge difference 1 tero 5 by 8 a exact nge difference pathum ania 7 by 16 a exact nge difference pakwa la ania so hemi enge ka so cha a difference tam chuan fractional value claim berdon he a difference claim chuan fractional value hi atam berdon so hemi hisab hian enge kan answer ni don ascending order anti in one ascending order nia so alien berchu 5 by 6 hi alien berdona chumizwa adot 5 by 80 5 by 8 nia chuna dot 7 by 16 7 by 16 hi atte berdona chumizwa 5 by 8 chun alien beranga ti chun 5 by 6 here difference at lembera 1 heavy difference it tambera 9 okay so option A mem 7 by 16 5 by 8 le 5 by 6 option number C option number C can answer to na chuanin question number 9 the product of two numbers is okay product of two numbers product enge omzia product chu multiplication in between two numbers is 1600 number pani chu kan shalo x1 le x2 assume la chon unproduct hi angzat nge unproduct hi ungiven a sang khat saru okay their HCF is panga HCF pon given a angzat 5 the LCM one how taka hami chu mapon ka explain to a formula nge ni thin product of two numbers equals to product of LCM le HCF ngai to to x1 le x2 an given sang khat zaruk LCM kan shallow HCF an given 5 and how taka tuna ta hian enge kan tiang hemi 100 an etro 100 hi 5 in kan divide chon engzat nge ni thin somni ni thina chon som paruk khata som paruk 20 zar engzat nge zathum le somni so x equals to x yang kha LCM ne so value of LCM engzat nge zathum le somni ni melo tuna question number 10 question number 10 in solve nga amapan ka sei to fifth ne tro th amna chu nuaya kan ziak trina so 4/5 part and a part 4/5 of a number of to multiply a number kan shalo a number is more than mo om je ju hami atam zok so more than 2 3/4 okay minus 3/4 of the number box to me number box chu by angzat in 4 in by 4 the number is number ange of the chu x ange 4 le 4 ka LCM kan lang across multiply 16x minus 53x are 15x divided by 5 4s are 20 equals to 4 so paruk x atangin som panga x kan pechon x ania have 24 nan kan multiply nga so x equals to 20 multiplied by 4 chu angzat nge somriat second answer option number C hemi hi color ka thlak lenga okay so chuasan re su ka takta ania en kim vekula mani than in practice ni mai rom tian nge boi thlak pakle nem ani nom lawang so question number 11 a man z okay z man anti to chumi wang jon mi pani chon positive kan the train chon me chani chon negative kan the train ami yang reasoning question me party host a blood relation okay reasoning question ni hi a man z hey plus kan to goes to a party hosted by his brother okay brother ni chon okay ti hian a plus kan tiang ta hian who has a daughter b okay fanu ania chon minus kan tinga b is dancing with her brother okay b hi a brother and brother ni chon plus kan tidan what is z to c z to c ni chon kan brother for pani chon ama uncle kan ni don chon ama ange ni don ti chon nephew hemi hi nephew ania chon hemi hi uncle mo enge kan question what is z to c z to c ni chon uncle ani dona what is c to z chutita se nephew kan tiang tuna question number 22 a group of students decided to collect as many rupees from each members of the group as is the number of members okay shiathiam ngal tunya hemi x will be equals to x ani don relaute tan ti hian ti latihan zia gila total members x anomta se chon each member collects engzat each member in engzat nge a collect don chon ta hanange zia hey a group of students decided to collect as many rupees from each member of the group as is the number of members okay hamzia chu each member in engzat ngen collect ching x an koleka chon total amount of collection hi engzat nge total collected amount hi engzat nge total collection amount chu 2209 enge antinga kan zia the number of members of the group tan kan zia kanga number of members in the group or of the group multiplied by amount collected by each amount collected by ka handwriting hi athing lutuk inti mai thei ma seng kai ka trong karon sai hian ngai tlaula so amount collected by each members hemi kan multiply chon enge kan muang total amount collected hemi kan muchwa kan 2209 2209. So number of members in the group exact nge x multiplied by amount collected by each members exact nge x ania. So nge kan zia theta hian x into x2 x square ania 2209. Han nge tu ateu x equals to 2209 square root aniang chu ti hian square root of 2209. In practice na satlo dukchon initiative ngal dona 50 square exact nge thin sang ni zanga ni thina heta tang hian pathum pe ila heta hemi short tricky mapon video ka siam to in line lojon in anthia chon heta tang po hian pathum pe ila 22 ani dona kan pe zat kha a square heta kan ziak thin 3 square chu 09 so 50 rain pathum pe chu 47 hemi hi ange answer ni don 47 hi answer ni don ma seng thil pakhat hemi tricky in shiat lo pon in shiat lo na poilowa long division method ang kan hemi hi ti hian bar pani kan da anga achan chu digit pali oma chon ta hian 4 multiplied by 4 chu 16 ania 609 ta hian 4 plus 4 kan ziak thin tro am chu 8 ta hian 8 7 le 7 achan chu to pa 9 oma so 87 le 7 kan multiply chun exact nge ni don 609 ai dona so bang lo tro engma kan answer nge 47 will be our answer. Question number 13 hi nge alang har intimate thinga masing how tukring atami mo andro emi enge omzia chu 32 hi a cube root ama mo cube root y cube root chunga ma chen 2 raised to the power x hemi 1 by 3 hi da son turin engthil nge kan tiang kan ti tur chu lelam kan cube ang ti hian kan cube te yang kan cube vele hemi 3 a bow ngal don ti hian a bow de dona so ta hange kan zia the 2 raised to the power 3x chen hemi 32 hi 32 okay 32 hi angom zia 2 raised to the power exact a base 2 nia chumi function hemi poi 2 raised to the power hisab in kan zia na 2 raised to the power 500 tuna a base ainang to tro 2 le 2 ainang to chumi function enge kan zia the 5 equals to 3x so 3x equals to 5 ani chon x equals to exact nge 5 by 3 hemi hi answer. So question number 14 you can lenga can solve lenga chan ning oi mi alonia. So question number 14, what is the simple interest? Okay, simple interest question kan shalawa on 10 rupees principal amount and given a cheng som for 4 months. Okay, time pon given a 4 months at the rate 3 paise per rupees per month. Okay, a rate exact ngen tu 3 paise per rupees per month hemishi atiam tumula 3 paise per rupees per month hi nge omzia tu pon an shianga 1 rupees a cheng exact paise exact nge om train 100 paise om train tro chumi chu ti hian enru 3 paise ania per chu nge ka per rupees chu nge ti chen per rupees tan rupees kan zia ka per chu nwaya ania rupees na china pon ka se rupees khata exact paise mo za om train tro za paise chun per month ania nemi hi per month ne masang rethi percentage om train tro chumi function heta po 00 kan da on chu 100 in kan multiply bokanga 100 in kan divide bokang hemi paise le hemi paise hi chu kan cancel anga om to don lo chun thil pakhat anwaya 100 om chun hemi nge kan ti thin kha percent kan ti thin tro chumi function anwai tring in 100 kan da sonanga chun per cent ani to chun per month hemi conversion in shia tanga ne voi khat ka repeat leng chun hemi zai kan cancel anga so overall percent kan rate kha 3% ani to tihian kan convert voi khat ka soinon lenga mi poimol tu kan ya hemi concept ti in shia sorry lutuk sorry pelo ka erase ve kan e pelo hatanga ziak lenga simple interest kan shalawa principal 10 ania time 4 months ania chan arethi finally can find out the 3% per month. Okay, so tuna masing conversion ko voi khat ka sei voi khat kan shilfia lang chau rate equals to engeng zia ta hian 3 paise per rupees per month 3 paise per rupees per month hemi thil hi in ria tangai examine mu chuan in buai don nge ti po ria tam tak chuan in practice lek zir na sa lek zir pe how ti chan chuan hemi a har lo mai thenga ma seng hei voi khat la mungai lo shim tu ta tan ani chemi question ma kan sei ron lang andru 3 paise ania tahian kan zia kang 3 paise per rupees tuna per rupees hi angam zia per chu mapon ka sei to per ani chon anwaya kan zia trin chon rupees anwaya kan zia dona rupees maseng heta hian paise ania heta rupees ania so unit conversion cheng khata paise engzat ma om trin 100 paise om trin chon per month hi chu lakhoi buai loila tuna hemi paise le hemi paise kan cancel anga tero okay chon tu ponan sianga nang mani ponan sianga rate hi eng form ange om trin percentage om trin percentage siam turin achunga 100 in kan multiply nga anwaya po 100 in kan multiply ang tuna heta hian percentage zia turin enge kan tiang anwaya mi 100 hi kan da baude ang zia ngai lo chuan chumi ain achunga percent sign kan da trin tuna tok de la me chunga 100 oma anwaya po 100 oma an cancel tia engzat nge bang 3 so 3% per month a time po month ama a rate po month ama eng ma po convert angai to lo direct kan mang ta hian enge formula ka SI equals to PRT by 100 engzat nge P 10 ania a rate 3 ania time engzat nge 4 ania divided by 100 hemi 0 le hemi 0 and cancel anga 3 multiplied by 4 12 ania divided by 10 anwaya 0 pakhat ama amze chu 10 ami 0 pakhati da santurin 1 le 2 in kara dot kan da 3 hemi hi kan answer a unity rupees and low paise shathiam tuna chuanin question number 15 hi kan shilang chu 15 hi tahian a equals to 1 by 3b more b equals to 1 by 2c chan a b c engzat nge mitam takin kaini chan tiang ang hi kan thiama a is to b equals to 2 is to 3 b is to 3 equals to 4 is to 7 ani chuan a b c engzat nge hemi hi nia kan thiam ma seng tiang hi chu kan la zir lawa nge ka zir lo zok avan har take ngoro adang kan try pen caution dang andrew hemi caution ni a house ya ka shilang cheu an ti boinan mo student how aspirants ti boinan claim and modified a by b equals to 1 by 3 adikam achanju hemi b hin waya kan ziak b by c equals to 1 by 2 adikam achanju c hi hata kan ziak enge dang thil dang eng mani hlenem a is to b equals to 1 is to 3 b is to c equals to 1 is to 2 tuna also then hey solve thailam amapan ka sei to tro color kan thlak lok anga okay a is to b is to c ratio proportion a le b engzat nge 1 is to 3 b le c engzat nge 1 is to 2 heta nge omthin abulami number hi ta entry kan siak nga heta nge omthin abulami number hi 1 kan multiply nga answer ron chuak don chiang tu kalam 1 multiplied by 1 1 ania 3 multiplied by 1 3 nia 3 multiplied by 2 6 so ange kan answer 1 is to 3 is to 6 we can answer ni mela tuna chuanin question number 16 and solve nga the mark price of a machine okay mark price engzat zani zarukle somninia due to off season 15% and discount chuan selling price engzat nge han how taka aum zia ka jang chau cheng zarukle somni man mo machine an zuara 15% and discount de chuan amapon ka voitam tak ka sei to discount zat ka hata kan zia tin som panga za train som panga kan pe chuan engzat nge 85 ani china so hemi 0 le hemi 0 kan cancela hemi 10 hi 5 in kan cancel 2 times hemi 85 hi 5 in kan cancela 17 times okay hemi 2 le hemi 62 hi 31 in kan cancela so ultimately 31 multiplied by 17 hi engzat nge so 31 multiplied by 17 to 217 le 31 to 527 so our answer will be 527 15% kan off nuwa 15% off nuwa nothing ya quotient set to hian tiang quotient ni mangai khap mai mo an mangai khap mai tiang quotient ni avoid thleng quotient paper tam tak ka solve to tro tiam quotient ju ka mu nge he nge tre quotients dang ril ru na tla na mai mai lom la tiang jan. Okay, so tuna question number 17 you can solve fang. Okay, 17 here 1 plus 27 by 169 equals to 1 plus x by 13. Hemi turian square root le square in tia mangaya 169 multiplied by hemi solve potila 169 ones are in that 169 plus 27 divided by 169 tiyan za som rukpak wale som ni pasari chu 196 ani trina 196 tuna 196 square root ang zat nge 14 169 square root ang zat nge som pathum 1 plus x by 13 hemi 1 ni helama aron denga helama kan ziak denga tiyan som pathum 14 train som pathum pe chu ang zat nge LCM lak nuwa 14 train som pathum pe chu 1 anya chon waya som pathum x by 13 13 le 13 can cancel. What is the answer? 1 can answer 2 na chuan in question number 18 can solve nga